Here's how to fix if you can't delete apps on your iPhone. Now I'm going to show you what I mean. If I tap and hold on an app, for instance, this ESPN app, I can tap and hold on it and hit remove app, but it just allows me to remove it from my home screen. It doesn't allow me to actually delete it. If I tap remove from home screen, it will just be in the app library, but not actually deleted. The reason for this is in your settings. So let's go into your settings here. And now once you're in your settings, we need to scroll down until we find screen time. Right there under focus mode, just tap on screen time. And now once you're on screen time, let's go down to the very bottom, and the culprit is in your content and privacy restrictions. So just tap on that here. And now you can see it's turned on at the very top. Let's tap on the second option, iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on that. Now you can see here it says deleting apps is set to don't allow. So just tap on it and switch it to allow. You might have a screen time passcode on here, so just enter that passcode. If you don't know it, you can just use your Apple ID to reset it and disable it. Now it might take a few seconds for it to pop up to be able to delete that app, but then you can tap and hold on the app, hit remove app, and now finally the delete app button is there. I can fully delete any apps on my iPhone.